Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you're a new visitor, I'm Jacqueline Marie. And in today's video, Valentine's Day is over and it's time to take down all the hearts and pink decor and get the house decorated for St. Patrick's Day. So grab your cleaning supplies and your decorations and let's transform our houses together. First, I'm taking down all the Valentine's decor in the kitchen. I like to keep things neat and store them in the plastic bins so they don't get damaged. When we moved to Florida, we had to downsize a lot of our decor since we no longer have a basement like we did in our old house in Massachusetts. So instead of using the larger bins I used to store everything in, I switched to these clear plastic bins. They're perfect size to store in the closets here, and I can easily see what's inside. It's a little different, but it works so much better for our new space. Now I'm moving over to the other side of the counter where I have my red electric mixer and some of the Valentine's decor. I love how the mixer adds a pop of color, but it's time to tuck it away for now. I will pack it up along with the rest of the heart-themed decor and make sure everything is safely stored in one of these clear bins. It feels so good to tidy up and make space for fresh and new look. The other day when I was at Costco, I saw a gorgeous stainless steel electric mixer and it was on sale and I absolutely love it. A few days later, my husband went to Costco by himself to grab a few things, and he came home with the mixer. I was so happily surprised and I cannot wait to unbox it. Now that all the Valentine's decor is put away in the kitchen, it's time to head out now to the dining room and tackle that space. I'm taking down this flower arrangement and I'm going to store all these flowers in a different bin. We have only been in this house for about 4 weeks now, so we're still waiting on window coverings. For now, I have put these temporary paper shades on the windows. We're actually waiting for our shutters to be installed, which takes about 6 weeks to arrive. It's a bit of a wait, but they look so nice once they're up. For now, these paper shades will do the trick while we get everything else settled. I have also a box in the dining room next to the table. This is my porch bench that arrived a few days ago. My husband needs to assemble it and I'm planning to paint it the same color as our front door. I think it's going to look amazing. So be sure to subscribe so you don't miss this DIY project coming up soon. I can't wait to show you the transformation. Next, we're moving over to the hutch to take down all the Valentine's decorations. Please comment below and let me know what you did on Valentine's Day. My husband and I went to see the Gypsy Kings concert in St. Augustine, Florida, and we had a great time. The energy was amazing and the music had everybody dancing. It was the perfect way to celebrate Valentine's Day. Now that all the decor is packed away in the bin, I'm heading over the foyer to drop it off. From here, I will take it upstairs and store it in the closet. There is only a few decor left that I will store inside the hutch. Now that everything is packed away neatly, it's time to give the table a quick dusting. I like to make sure everything is fresh and clean before I start decorating. I love using the Swiffer to dust the furniture. It does such a great job picking up all the dust and leaving everything looking spotless. I just grabbed the St. Patrick's Day bean and I'm keeping things simple and minimalist this year for the dining room table. I love the clean look of just a few festive touches, nothing too over the top, just enough to bring in that lucky feeling. I'm decorating the tier tray with these beautiful green glasses, green plates, and a kitchen towel with shamrocks. On top of the plates, I'm adding these cute napkin rings in the shape of shamrocks. They're such a simple but fun way to bring in the St. Patrick's Day charm without overdoing it. On the other side of the hutch, I'm adding a few shamrocks to the wicker basket flower arrangement to give it a little St. Patrick's Day flair. And to finish off the look, I'm placing this cute little leprechaun hat right in the center. It's the perfect touch to complete the table and bring in that lucky festive spirit. Now let's move on and decorate the dining table. I'm starting with this beautiful St. Patrick's Day table runner I picked up at Home Goods a few years ago. It's the perfect way to set the tone for the table. For the centerpiece, I'm using a cutting board as a base, and on top I'm placing this cake tray. I'm decorating the cake tray with some greenery, a few shamrocks, and a couple of artificial green apples to give it a fun and festive look. This is a simple and minimalist look, but really adds a nice touch to the dining room. Now that the dining room is all decorated, let's take a look at how it turned out. I love how everything came together with just the right amount of St. Patrick's Day charm. It's simple, fresh, and definitely gives off those lucky vibes. What do you think? Let me know in the comments. It's getting late already, and my husband and I are about to head out for dinner. But I continue decorating the following day, and I will give you a tour on how I decorated the porch and the kitchen the following day. So let's fast forward and take a tour of these areas. My friends, this is the end of the video. I hope that you enjoy decorating for St. Patrick's Day with me. It was so much fun getting everything ready, and I'm so glad I could share it with you. Thanks for watching, and I will see you next time for more fun projects. I'm Jacqueline Marie, and this is the Sea Green Coastal Cottage. And please don't forget to subscribe for more fun videos.